think this is Parasaurolophus. That's hard to say. You did it! There's only one left. Can you find it? You did it. Can you get it? Where does he go? Can you turn him? Can you turn him? A little more. Playgroup. Yeah, you like playgroup? You like playgroup? Yeah. Yeah. We have been using community partnership for 6 years since my first son was born. We have come to playgroup. Currently, I'm tried a yoga class that offered child care for my daughter. We've used parents as teachers for 2 of my kids, and I like to come and volunteer when I have an opportunity.
My children get to interact with other children. We don't get that around here living in the rural area.
We started coming after we got custody of Zachary about a year ago as foster parents, to let him have an opportunity to play with other children, interact, work on his socialization skills. And then we kind of found out about some other programs that also helped me be a person and not just that stay-at-home mom with no connection to anyone. I was able to develop friendships, and we look forward to coming. Every morning Zachary gets up and says, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Parenting programs, that's the most I've tried, and the first time was so good that now I'm enrolled again and I'm taking it for another 6 weeks. It teaches you to talk to your kids on a more level surface, and now I don't yell at my kids anymore, and I never get frustrated with them anymore. There's tools that they teach you that you can use.
My name is Patrick. Reba and I, my wife, we're actually becoming parents again. We're inheriting our grandkids. Cameron here was actually born about five weeks premature, and he was barely 5 pounds when he was born. But prior to that, our son's girlfriend, who actually was pregnant with him, decided she was going to abort him, and we talked her out of that. We encouraged her to carry him. He wasn't planned to be here, and to us that's a big thing, because and certainly I don't know if there's any other grandparents out there that are close to us, but I know that this organization has really helped us in shall we say, doing it all over again.
I think because we live so rurally, it's great to have, just to have community partnership up here in Divide, because most people would have to go down to the Springs, and with the economy like it is and the gas prices, that's just almost out of reach for some people. And so it's just been awesome, and we need it here.
I'm Judy Hesselberg.
I'm Ken Hesselberg. We're the directors of Little Chapel Food Pantry in Divide.
A while back, the Harvest Center in Woodland Park contacted us, wanted to know if we had any space behind the church that we could that they could use for a community garden, and that was in conjunction with Community Partnership, who had gotten a grant for community gardens. And we just happened to have a space that wasn't very flat at the time, but we had a team from the church who was willing to come in with some equipment and flatten it out and get it all ready for them to use.
I was in a jam with my light bill. My sister suddenly passed, and I had to fly to Illinois, and it was quite an expense, and I basically couldn't pay my light bill. They were very helpful to me to help pay my light bill, and I'm forever grateful for that. And that's what I'm excited about with the community partnership here in Divide.
Parenting in early childhood is important, right? It helps the kiddos in our community be ready for school. It helps them socially, emotionally, and behaviorally in life. It helps the parents get ready to be the child's best advocate. for school and in life.
So our Healthy Living program is funded by the Colorado Health Foundation, and we have 5 programs that we are coordinating. Community gardens, adult exercise, parent engagement and leadership, cooking and nutrition, and the chronic disease management. And we deliver these programs with the help of many partners around the community, such as the Harvest Center, the school district in their wellness programs, and Teller County Public Health.
Hi, my name is Jackie. I work for Teller County Public Health. We have been partnering with Community Partnership for over 2 years now to offer the chronic disease self-management workshops. It's an evidence-based program that was designed at Stanford University School of Medicine. The relaxed nature of the workshops is part of what binds the participants together for support.
I'm Jill Cochran, and I'm the director of the Summit Preschool program. They provide 2 types of services for them. They do workshops where the families can get together and learn about parenting skills, also discuss those parenting skills with some of the quote experts, and it also helps them to just talk with other parents about what they're doing with raising children. They also have a program where they'll go into the home and work with families on ways that they can work with their young children to further their development.
So tell me a little bit about community partnership and what it means to you.
I think ever since I was in high school, it was hard for me to focus on work, and it was just hard studying in class, and I can't handle crowds, so just being in a really large one, since they crowded and more kids, and it's just been really hard on me. So especially with bullies, and I was always a small kid and outsider, so bullies always picked on me. I was always the sensitive one, so that didn't help much either. And ever since I've been here, it's more mature, it's more help me focus, and it's more to myself. If I need help, then they'll be there. So and that's one thing, I like it, and I kept going. I actually wanted to go, and when I can, and I actually wanted to get up in the morning and get here. So.
Community Partnership has been in existence for 21 years. And one of the things that we're doing differently recently is we're addressing the barrier of transportation. Teller County does not have its own public transportation system. It's a huge area that we serve, and it's not unusual for people to have a 30-minute commute into town. So what we're doing differently recently is we're taking our programming out to the communities. So our vision is to strengthen families in Teller County, help people become productive members of our community,